is indicated on the side of this controller. So if you just rotate it in this direction, object moves up. If you rotate it in the clockwise direction, it will go down. There are a bunch of these buttons at the bottom as well. So if you click this rightmost button here, then this will reset the objective position. Basically, the object lens will immediately move to the lowest position. Okay. So this is sort of like the safe button here. So if this entire focus adjustment is messed up, you want to click this one once and then reset this whole thing to the original position. The Z direction, it is actually indicated on this console here. As I adjust the focus, you can see the Z number is constantly changing. Right now I'm bringing up the objective and moving the objective up, so this number keeps increasing. If I press this escape button once, then all of a sudden this Z value will go to 0. So the appropriate number that will actually bring your sample in focus, the Z direction, the number is roughly at about 2600 to about 3500. So if your Z value exceeds 3000, then you need to be extra cautious, because that means your objective lens is already in a very high level position. You're facing a potential risk of having the objective lens bumping into the flow chamber. That could cause the irreversible damage to the objective lens. Objective lens is the most important component for this entire microscope body. It is responsible for the resolution of our final image. So we will try to protect the objective lens by any means. Okay, so bumping into the flow cell is definitely something we would want to avoid. We do not want that from happening. So keep an eye on the Z value. If this number is too high, then you need to use the fine adjustment knob instead of the coarse adjustment knob to carefully adjust the focus, the focal plane. Okay. That's pretty much all we need to pay attention to before we move to the microscope control. I've already covered that.